these are actually all terminologies.
Okay.
Basically, all these terminologies bring the same objective. So we are reaching to the same goal. I mean, to make sure that the product is halal, doesn't breach any Sharia laws. So perhaps the word Sharia compliance is because, you know, the finance industry itself is a regulated industry. So when it comes to Islamic finance, the industry itself is very much regulated. So the Sharia requirements or the Sharia laws has been established by the regulator. So the regulator is there to ensure that all the products under the Islamic finance or finance industry comply to these Sharia requirements. Thus, the terminologies of Sharia compliant. But basically, Sharia compliant or halal products or Sharia based carries the same meaning. The objective is still to make sure that you are not breaching any Sharia laws or Sharia requirements, to make sure that the product that you are using in your daily life is halal 100% and Sharia compliant.